Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you all the vocabulary related to doing the household chores. That means faire le ménage, to do the household chores. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prim or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to teach you all the vocabulary related to doing the household chores. Now, first of all, let's learn how do you say to do the household chores. So that's faire le ménage. Faire le ménage, which means to do the household chores. Before we start with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And in case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now, let's just start with this video. Faire le ménage. Faire le ménage, which means to do the household chores. Le ménage, which means the household chores. Now, if you can see over here, everywhere I have written the verb faire. The verb faire. Now, this is actually the verb. First of all, before I start with this video, in case you do not know what exactly is the verb faire, what does it mean and how do you conjugate that? I have already uploaded the video for the verb faire. I'm going to mention the link of that in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. And I'm going to mention the same link in the description box below as well. So let's just start. The first one being faire le ménage. Faire le ménage, which means to do the household chores. So let's say if you want to say, I am doing the household chores. So for I, you will say je. And then the conjugation of the verb faire, which I've already taught in that video. So je fais. Je fais le ménage. Or else let's just do one thing. Let's just revise the verb faire. Je fais. Je fais. Tu fais. Il fait. Elle fait. On fait. Nous faisons. Vous faites. Ils font. Et elles font. Now here basically I've written all the expressions with the verb faire. Whatever subject you want to say, let's say if you want to say I am doing the household chores. So for I you will say je and then conjugate the verb faire and then continue with the expression. So I am doing the household chores, you will say je fais le ménage. Faire le ménage. Now the first one being, how would you say to wash the dishes or to do the dishes? Faire la vaisselle. La vaisselle. Faire la vaisselle, which means to do the dishes or to wash the dishes. Je fais la vaisselle. Je fais la vaisselle or tu fais la vaisselle or il fait la vaisselle. That depends upon you, whichever subject you want to choose. The next one being faire la cuisine. Faire la cuisine, which means to do the cooking. Faire la cuisine. The next one is faire les courses. Faire les courses. Now, course we use specially for doing the grocery shopping. If you're going for grocery purchasing, if you're buying the fruits or if you're buying the vegetables, for that you will say je fais les courses. Je fais les courses. The next one is faire le lit. Faire le lit. Now, le lit, which means the bed. Faire le lit, which means to make the bed. Je fais le lit. Elle fait le lit. Nous faisons le lit. Voilà. Faire la poussière. La poussière. Now, la poussière, which means the dust. If you want to say, to do dusting. Right? Je fais la poussière. Faire la poussière. Now, the next one is faire le repassage. Faire le repassage, which means to do ironing or to iron the clothes,
Faire le repassage. Faire le repassage. The next one is faire les carreaux. Faire les carreaux. Carreaux normally means the squares. Okay. But faire les carreaux, that's an expression which means to clean the windows. Right. So faire les carreaux. Je répète. Faire le ménage. Faire le ménage. Faire la vaisselle. Repeat after me, okay? Faire la vaisselle. The next one. Faire la cuisine. Faire la cuisine. Faire les courses. Faire les courses. Faire le lit. Faire le lit. Faire la poussière. Faire la poussière, which means to do dusting. The next one being faire le repassage. Faire le repassage, to do ironing or to iron. The next one is faire les carreaux. Faire les carreaux, which means to clean the windows, right? So here I've just written the expression. You just need to select the subject for whichever subject you're using that expression. Let's say if you're using it for je, you're using it for I, you'll say je. Conjugate the verb faire and continue with the expression. Like je fais la vaisselle, je fais la cuisine, je fais les courses, je fais le lit, je fais la poussière, je fais le repassage, je fais les carreaux. You can replace je with whatever subject you want to say. Okay, so now the next one being passer la serpillière. Passer la serpillière. Serpillière, which means the mop. So passer la serpillière, which means to mop the floor. So now you need to select the subject. This is actually the verb er. Select the subject. Let's say if I want to say I am mopping the floor. For that I'll say je passe la serpillière. Je passe la serpillière. The next one being passer l'aspirateur. L'aspirateur. Now l'aspirateur, which means the vacuum cleaner. Passer l'aspirateur, which means to vacuum or to hoover. Now passer l'aspirateur. If I want to say I am vacuuming or I am cleaning with a vacuum cleaner. So I'll say je passe l'aspirateur. Je passe l'aspirateur. So passer l'aspirateur. The next one being to take out the trash from the bins, from the dustbins. For that I'll say sortir les poubelles. Sortir les poubelles. Sortir les poubelles. That means to take out the bins, to take out the dustbins. So sortir les poubelles. Poubelle, which means the dustbin. The next one is the verb ranger. Ranger. Ranger, which means to arrange or to tidy up. Ranger. The next one is the verb nettoyer. Nettoyer. Nettoyer, which means to clean. Nettoyer. The next one is plier le linge. Plier, again, that's an er verb. So plier le linge. Le linge, which means the laundry or the clothes. So plier le linge, that means to fold. Plier is to fold. To fold the laundry or to fold your clothes. Plier le linge. The next one is balayer. Balayer. Balayer, which means to sweep. Now, if you see nettoyer and balayer, both of them are YER verbs. If you do not know what are YER verbs and how do you conjugate them, I'm going to mention the link of YER verbs in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. Now, nettoyer, which means to clean, and balayer, which means to sweep. And the last one being changer les draps. Changer les draps. Now, les draps, which means the bedding or the bed sheet. Basically, that means the bed sheet. So, changer les draps, that means to change the bed sheet, to change the bedding. Je répète. Passer la serpillière. Passer la serpillière. Passer l'aspirateur. Passer l'aspirateur. L'aspirateur, which means the vacuum cleaner. Now, here, in all these, in fact, all of them are verbs. You just need to select the proper subject. Let's say if I want to say I will say je. Conjugate the verb, whatever the verb is, and then write the expression. So if I want to say I am mopping the floor, je passe la serpillière. He is mopping the floor, then il passe la serpillière. Passer l'aspirateur. Sortir les poubelles. Sortir les poubelles. Ranger. Ranger. Nettoyer. Nettoyer, which means to clean. Plier le linge. plier le linge, to fold the laundry or to fold the clothes. The next one is balayer. Balayer, to sweep. The next one is, and the last one is, changer les draps. Changer les draps, which means to change the bedding or to change the bed sheet. Changer les draps. And that's it for this video. In case you know any other expression or any other vocabulary related to doing the household chores, mention them in the comment section below. I'm going to read them out. And that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And for all the updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.